friends, this is me Shita and you're watching my channel Fluorescence. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video is related to wall art. As you can see, I'm not well, I'm not able to talk even, but still I made this video for you guys so that I will not miss out my promise which I have made earlier. So this video is totally dedicated to you guys, my viewers, my friends, and it's a very easy wall art which you can make it by your own with a very minimal things. I will not talk too much, so without any further ado I want to start this video. So let's get into the video. From my side, hope you like this video, and if you really, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and please use that comment box for your suggestion, for your query, for your advice, everything, whatever you think that I should know, that please go ahead and comment on the comment section. And that's that's it from my side. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love you.